Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to improve trumpet range with easy exercises. This will be a super easy tutorial and a beginner tutorial, but it'll also be a full lesson because I'll be going over 3 awesome exercises that you can use whether you are a complete beginner or an absolute expert at playing the trumpet. Let's get right into the video. Now, essentially, your range is going to be your lowest note to the highest note, the lowest note that you can hit all the way to the highest note that you can play, and then how easily you can go through that range, okay? These exercises can be done on a daily basis. They can be done even a few times a day, or even once every week, or even once a month, as often or infrequently as you'd like to use them, and they work really, really well. The first exercise is going to be essentially to play the 8 notes, low to high and then high to low. So essentially you're playing from C to C, from a lower C to a higher C, and then back down. It's just your basic scale. It's gonna go something like this. Okay, now I've been playing for a while in the car already, so bear with me. My lips are already a little bit, they're a little bit uncomfortable, so I'm just gonna do my best, but bear with me. Now that's basically it. So you're gonna play that scale up and down, up and down, up and down. Now that's the first exercise, and that's gonna be to give you your mid-range scale. That's the most basic of the notes that you're gonna need to know. The second exercise you're gonna move on to is to go 1 note higher or 1 note lower, okay, than what you just played. And you're gonna work on building that up. So I'm gonna play up the scale, and I'm gonna go a little bit higher each time. So just like this. I'll try that one more time. Sorry about that. One more time. One more time. I'm really not doing a good job right now because I should have just done this video first before I played for like half an hour in the car, but we're going to continue on. Follow along. I'm getting nervous now, but we're going to relax. You've got this. Just like you've got this. Just like that, with the comeback, baby. That's how it's done. Once again, I should have just gone 1 note higher, but you can just keep building it up. I'll do that one more time. Just like that. You're gonna keep going higher, and then also the same thing, but lower, okay? So and it's the exact same thing. You're gonna go 1 note higher, 1 note lower. I went sort of all the way low, but you're gonna just build it up by 1 and build it down by 1. The last exercise, thank goodness I came with that comeback, because this video, if I had just messed it up over and over, it would have probably flopped. But because I hit that high note, hopefully it'll do well, and hopefully you appreciate that. I'm gonna play it one more time just for fun. Perfect. All right. And the third thing is going to be just to practice your embouchure, which is essentially your lips. And you want to practice going higher with your lips and lower with your lips in terms of the notes. You can take your mouthpiece out for this. Just practice going higher and then lower. Higher and then lower. And that's essentially it. Those 3 exercises will truly help you to improve your trumpet range. They're really easy to do. And if you do them frequently, you're going to do a much better job at getting higher notes and lower notes. Once again, I will play that scale one more time. Perfect. And that's it. I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna finish on a good note. We'll try it one more time. Perfect. That's that's how I'm gonna end it. Just like that. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, and you know what, before I finish this video, I gotta tell you the truth. I'm literally, just because hopefully it'll get me a few more likes, because you'll appreciate it. I'm literally sitting in my driveway because I don't want to play this in the house right now. I have a few kids napping. My wife is with them inside. I'm sitting in the car, in the driveway. It's boiling hot outside, so I have the air conditioning on. Hopefully you appreciate that in order to get this video done, I had to sort of create this whole scenario just like this. And if you appreciate it, honestly, if you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.